Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm with my daughter Acacia and I'm so excited to be filming this video. I'm doing a collab with my friend here on YouTube. Her name is Stasha Casanova, aka Miss Trini, and we are doing the box swap, and I've got this big gigantic box. Make sure my address ain't showing. This big box right here, and I'm so excited to open it. And you'll have to excuse my appearance. I just got out of work and showered, and I'm in my jammies. So we're gonna get started. What are you doing?
You just hair whipped me.
Oh, I'm sorry. All right, you ready? We're gonna open it. Keisha's gonna open it with me because she's always in my videos, and why not? I'm so excited.
Actually, it's just because I don't want to go there.
I just want to make sure my address ain't showing nowhere. There's 2 bags in here. Sorry.
That's a pretty bag.
It is a pretty bag. It says, for your daughter, love, Stasha. Well, that was nice. Do you want to open it? This is for you.
I want you to go first.
You sure?
Yeah.
Spoiled this girl is.
Yeah, just get a whole bunch of new stuff too.
And I just ripped this other bag, so I'm not going to try to pull it out.
This bag won't stay up. I'm just gonna.
I'm so excited. So the point of our swap was, so sorry. So we did like clearance and like sale stuff for our box swap. So we tried to get everything on clearance or like a really good budget. So we both love to clearance shop. Let me do my hair whip way back here so I don't hit you. We both love to clearance shop and budget shop. So I thought it would be fun to do a box swap with clearance stuff, and we've literally been talking about this for like a year and a half. But so this is the first thing that I see. It is a raspberry filled scented candle. This is so cute, and this light, holy crap. There we go. That's so cute. Hold your pony. Oh, that smells so yummy. Oh my gosh.
Can I put it in my room?
No. I don't even want to burn it. It's so pretty. It's so cute. This
You could have just smelled it through the hole.
Should I say prices? There's not a price on this one. This is the Aveeno Active Naturals gift set. It looks like there's a big thing of lotion, and it's lavender chamomile. And then it looks like there's 3 different body washes. There's vanilla and oats, nourishing coconut, and vanilla and oats.
It smells like your peach
I want to smell it. I'm going to spend so much time in this video smelling everything. Get it out. "20 minutes later." It smells so good.
This lotion. Can I put some on?
Well, you gotta twist the top to get it open. What is in this? Charming Charlie's bag, and I'm always telling her that she finds such good deals there. We don't have one here in Michigan. Well, at least not where I live. But it's a purse.
It's so pretty.
It is
Can I wear
pretty.
it to school tomorrow?
It looks beige on camera, but it's white. And no, you cannot wear it to school tomorrow. There's a little zipper on the back here.
Okay, Mom, yeah. Oh, I got it.
And this is so cute. This little buckle thing with the pocket.
I don't want to put my normal one. I won't come out.
I'll get it when we're done. And then this is the inside. It's so cute, and it has a C on it, and that's the first letter of my name, so I find that really cool. And there is the price on this. She got this for $10.99.
She rich.
It's a little card. It says to Cassie J on it. Oh my gosh.
I thought this was gonna be some money. I looked in the pocket and I saw some nothing there. I thought it was some money.
Oh, it's probably just the thing for the purse. But, whoops, there was a little sticker on the envelope and it just stuck to the card, but it's a little dream catcher. That's cute. This is the card.
Put that on me.
And it says, Dear YouTube Bestie, that's what we call each other. It says, it's been awesome watching your videos. I miss them. I'm sorry. I'm going to upload more, I promise. I know I've said that like a million times, but I really was just waiting for a good camera. It says, in connecting with you on YouTube, I'm looking forward to doing more swaps and collabs with you. I apologize. I forgot the spelling of your daughter's name. Oh, she just put to your daughter. I hope you both enjoy the haul, and best wishes to you and your family. Love, Stasha. Oh, thank you.
YouTube bestie.
She is my YouTube bestie.
Internet
Another
best
card.
friend. From Christmas? I mean, it's still winters.
Christmas blessings. Yes, she wrote the date on it. So this was a Christmas card that she just probably didn't get a chance to send out. It says, may the joy of Christmas brings come to you on angel wings. And then it says, YTB, YouTube Bestie. I hope you and your family have a wonderful Christmas and many more to come. Love, Stasha. It's so sweet. And what are these? This is nail file. It's so cute. One looks like a pencil and the other one looks like a ruler, and this light is so bright. Them are cute. And I file my nails so much that my nail files go bad so quickly.
But a pimple right on
is,
my eyebrow.
Is there a price on this one? No. This one is $2.50. It is a tool organizer. Oh, wow, that's pretty neat. You put like your eyeshadow brushes and stuff in it, and there's like a blinged out little thing on the top. This is actually really cool. It says for use with lip pencils, eyeliners, brushes, and more. This is really neat.
You said blinged out.
It is. It's like all sparkly. I'm going to take it out.
If you remove that light, they would be able to see it.
Oh, that's on both ends. This is really cool.
Let me see, I'm about to put one of your makeup brushes on. Ow!
This is so cute. It's a little keychain, and it was $2, and it's an owl.
That is really cute.
And it's like a blue, like a teal. This aqua color is like my favorite color. I want to do my whole house in touches of that color. I love it. And I don't know if I've told her that or not, but here's another owl keychain. This is so cute. This light is driving me insane. I can't film without the light because then you can't see anything, and with it, it's just too bright. But this is so cute.
So filming you get 2 lights.
There was no price on that one either.
Get 2 lights.
This
2 light bulbs.
So some jewelry and a cute little Tiffany blue bag. This is so cute.
Show them how your voice hurry up there.
All these things with the C on it must come from Charming Charlie's, but I feel like it's so cool because that's the first letter of my name. This was $7.99 and it's a necklace. This is so pretty.
Oh, look, Mommy, that's so cute.
That's so pretty. I love the Aztec-y, like, oh, that is so neat. How nifty. You can just put it right back in there just like that. Using it already. But I love this. I love the Aztec-y, like, design on that. That's so pretty.
Let me see.
And I love the little bag, too. I'm going to keep them. This is, oh, this is these are nail clippers. That is so stinking cute. It's so cute, and it's like, it's a nail clipper. That's so cute.
Are you able to take the nail clippers out and like, I think you
No. You can't. I don't want to try either. I don't want to break it.
I don't know what you want to do with this, Mom.
Makeup pouch, and there's stuff inside it. This is so cute. It's like textured. This is so cute.
Got glitter on it.
Oh, it's an Ipsy. It's an Ipsy bag.
Glitter on it. Red glitter.
This is so cute, and it's got makeup in it. My gosh, I'm so excited. This is Studio Makeup blush. It's loose powder blush, and it's like a really pretty color.
Oh, this is pretty.
It's like a mauve-y.
Oh,
This is so pretty. I don't want to swatch it because I don't want to get the makeup on anything else. But it's really pretty.
Oh, I did it.
What is this? Oh, you can swatch them. Show them what it looks like. Well,
Yeah.
This is a lipstick. This is from Real Her. And it's in the shade Lady Love. I love that packaging. That's really cool. It says, I deserve the best. It's backwards on camera, so hopefully it's not backwards to you guys. But it's really pretty. Show them what it looks like. And that's what color it is. It's so pretty.
It's that powder stuff right here.
Here's an e.l.f.
To see. Can't see it.
I don't know if this is a balm or a lipstick.
Where's your wipes?
It's in the color red. XO red.
Oh.
Oh yeah, that's a lipstick. That's pretty too. I love bold colors on my lips.
I like nude colors on my lips.
Yeah, Keisha's a nude girl, and well, she's not a nude girl. I'd kill her. She's a nude lips kind of girl. This is an e.l.f. lip lacquer in bold pink.
I wear pink too, light pink.
This is pretty.
I only wear light pink. Can I open it?
Mm-hmm. This is a nail polish from Kiss New York. This is so flippin' pretty.
Oh, look
It's
cute
in
with that color pink.
The color Gold Mine, and it's like, you can't even see it, but it's, oh, there you go. It's so sparkly. That's so pretty. I need to do something with my nails ASAP.
Can we go get our nails done?
Okay, I just felt something wet. Was it from my hair? And then this is NYC. What is this? Oh, it's a lip primer.
Can I put some out?
And it's like a pink color, shimmery pink color lip primer pencil. So that's neat. Oh, there's one more thing in here. This is a Marsk.
What's Marsk?
I'm not sure. This is a loose pigment, I think, and the color foiled again, and it's like a purpley gray. This is really pretty too. I think it's just a loose pigment. Oh, almost spilled it everywhere. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
You can put it with these ones.
You can put it up there with it. That's so pretty. This is...
Just whack me with your hair again.
Sorry. There wasn't prices on any of the makeup, but that's okay. This is a hair wrap, and this was $3.99. This is cute as heck, and I feel like Keisha's probably going to steal this and wear it. Because she loves headbands, but that's so pretty. It's like a navy blue with these textured gold details on them.
They're cute.
This is so pretty.
We got more diamond earrings.
This is a necklace and earring set. Is this one necklace or two? Oh, it's just one. It's a layered necklace. It's so pretty. There's like a leaf there, and then this really pretty.
Here goes another one of them pretty bags.
It's like a cross.